Hello and welcome to our Comm100 Q2 2026 product recap. My name is Maria Fielder and I'm the Director of Learning, Training and Development here at Comm100. For the next little while, I'll be sharing some great improvements that have been made to the platform across the many different products that we have. So stick around to learn more and ensure you're making the most of your Comm100 account. For today's agenda, we'll be looking at updates across our range of products, starting off with live chat before moving on to the AI agent, ticketing, queue and knowledge base before we look at the brand new custom dashboard, and live chat agent console improvements designed to help your teams become more efficient and have a smoother user experience. Remember, all of these new releases have been built based on customer feedback. So thank you for everyone that has shared with us, especially if you completed one of our recent surveys. We really value it. As we go through the new changes today, if you see anything that you're interested in or want to learn more about, don't forget you can contact your account manager, email support@comm100.com, or chat with us 24/7 via our Comm100 live chat. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have or schedule a demo as needed. We'll start off with live chat, our most heavily used product. As you can see from the slide, we've made quite a few improvements. The real-time report improvements now display the number of agents in various statuses and have also introduced a department tab, so you can see real-time data based on those two groups. In addition, we have improved our live chat file format restriction. So now you can restrict both the files that end users can send as well as the agents to help you stay compliant, reduce risk, and standardize your support experience. In terms of chat history enhancements, we've added the additional filter of is one of across the rating and other system fields, enabling you to be more precise and efficient when you're filtering for specific chats. We've also added filters for visitor session data, such as the city, state, and country, in case you're trying to find chats based on those fields. Furthermore, we have added in the agent email column in the exported CSV file. We've removed the character limit, increasing it from 256 to 10,000 characters. Perhaps one of the favorite improvements for visitors is that you can now show the chat history on the visitor side, so they can view the old chats that they had, previous interactions. Even if they didn't get a copy of the chat transcript historically, they can refer back to those old interactions. And another big improvement that we made is the campaign language expansion. So this refers to the default languages that we have within the Comm100 platform, covering most major world languages to make it easier for you to present your campaign in the language that's appropriate for your audience, all in one experience instead of having to create a live chat campaign for each language. Feel free to watch the GIF as I explain what the live chat triggers and spotlights the real-time detection does. So the live chat triggers are a new feature which are housed under the live chat, which enable admins to automate actions based on specific chat events, visitor behavior, chat conditions, and AI insights. So for example, if you wanted to highlight a churn risk, an escalation, something like this, you could create a spotlight for this. And then if that occurred during the chat, that could have a subsequent action that would automatically occur. For example, a notification. The Spotlight real-time detection brings AI evaluation into active live chat sessions, which allows the teams and agents to detect key issues earlier and trigger actions while the conversation is still happening. This is bringing that real-time automation to live chat, which is a big step up. Instead of relying on agents or the supervisors to manually identify those risks, delays, or quality issues when they're happening, the system will flag that for them, and in some cases automatically take subsequent action, like the pop-up notification we can see on the screen, whether it transfers a chat, adds it to a monitor list, add internal note, sends a canned message. triggers a webhook, so on and so forth. We have lots of options. This is particularly great for high-volume live chat teams that need faster routing, escalation, and supervision. It's also really useful for support teams who are using AI spotlights, sentiment analysis, or the chat resolution status for quality monitoring. It can flag those results which are low, high, or just really need to be taken care of urgently. For enterprise teams with supervisors who monitor wait time, inactivity, perhaps VIP visitors, or negative sentiment, this is also really useful for keeping on top of those. And overall, just really helps teams to move from a manual monitoring process to a more automated service operation model. From the trigger management side, you can create, edit, enable, disable, delete under the conditions. And you can have event-based rules based on the chat requested, chat started, messages, wait time, chat duration, inactivity, rating, chat ended, and then AI or post-chat events. The conditions are wide in range, and we've already mentioned some of the actions that you can do. Overall, it's a great step up and combination of the live chat and AI functionality. Taking a look at the AI agent improvements, the enhanced AI agent topic instructions let users insert actions, functions, and LLM-powered automation directly into the natural language instructions, with multiple instruction blocks to structure the complex workflows much more clearly in one topic. For enterprise teams managing advanced AI workflows with natural language instructions, this really helps. We're able to request specific information, and instead of needing to have a completely curated and tailored flow, we can allow the AI to phrase the interaction, making sure it requests and pulls in the relevant information. It's also useful for organizations that want to automate complex processes, such as order lookups, SSO logins, and multi-step workflows. For high-volume support operations that require reliable, repeatable AI responses at scale, this further benefits those. Overall, it designs smarter AI workflows with clear, structured, and actionable instructions that define when actions happen, support complex workflows in one topic, and overall improves the AI consistency and reduces the setup effort. The live chat trigger AI topics and intents helps human agents to work more efficiently, deliver complete AI-guided experiences seamlessly during the live chats, and enhance the human-AI collaboration with clear handback and control. As you can see from the GIF in front of us, we're elevating the human-AI collaboration by allowing agents to manually deploy the full power of the pre-configured AI workflows and natural language topics right inside their active live chats. So if an end user is asking about a topic that we know we have an AI flow for, the agent can select that and it will be delivered, and then they can take over again when it's necessary for them to do so. With seamless flow triggers, automatic input safeguards, and frictionless agent handbacks, your support team can effortlessly offload the complex data collection and repetitive tasks to the AI mid-conversation. This is particularly useful for visitors that request a human agent from the beginning of the chat and don't actually go through the AI workflows that are built to answer the questions that they have. This hybrid orchestration reduces agent burnout, ensures absolute compliance with your standard workflows, and drastically cuts down on handle time, all the while maintaining that vital human touch that your customers trust. Moving on to our AI agent auto summary and wrap-up, agents may often struggle when receiving a chat from the AI because they need time to catch up or perhaps read through the transcript that they've received. In this case, the AI agent will provide an auto summary, giving them a high-level overview of what has already happened. So what was requested by the visitor, what action has been taken, and what the next steps are. Historically, the AI-only chats did not have a summary or a wrap-up. So by providing this automation, we can make sure that AI chats have that content, as well as providing that summary and assistance when the chat is transferred over to a human. This helps teams to understand the AI agent conversations more easily and maintain better records for review, QA, and reporting and follow-up. With regards to ticketing, you can now export a ticket with the full conversation content as a PDF or zip, with optional attachments and internal notes for easy sharing, record keeping, and offline review. This helps with compliance and avoids the human error of copying and pasting from one system to another. This GIF in front will show us a little bit more about the Anytime chat supporting multiple languages. Historically, you needed to create an Anytime chat experience in each individual language, but with this new improvement, we can add multiple languages to the same experience. The widget will automatically display text based on the visitor's browser language when you have that language enabled, and it can have a default language as fallback. This lets the admins of the platform manage localized text in one shared widget setup. In terms of the languages, we support more than 70 worldwide languages, so you really have a great range to offer your end users. You also have the freedom to customize the language that is used, so you can edit it if you have a preferred version or you want to make it more tailored for the specific region that you are catering to. When updates are made, the admins can choose to auto-translate other languages in the same widget or create new ones. You can also control whether you have a fixed widget language through the installation code or the JavaScript API. For right-to-left language support, we do display the right-to-left languages such as Arabic, Hebrew, Persian, Yiddish, Kurdish, Sorani, and Urdu from right to left by default, in case you cater to individuals that use these languages. Next up, we'll take a look at queue and knowledge base improvements. For customers using the queue, one of the pieces of feedback that we received was that it was challenging if end users kept pushing themselves back because there wasn't a limit. This would mean that they got last-minute cancellations and time was wasted, or the subsequent person in the queue was then called, but would take a little bit of time to arrive because they were called earlier than expected. By putting a limit on the pushback, this prevents those individuals from continually pushing back through the day and resulting in wasted appointments. Taking a look at the knowledge base SEO, this enables you to manage your public KB SEO directly inside Comm100. Admins can control where the public KB pages should be indexed, generate sitemap, and preserve traffic when public URLs are changed. Content editors can also set page-level SEO titles and descriptions, preview how pages may appear in search results, check SEO diagnostics, and add related articles more easily. The goal here is to make Comm100 knowledge base more crawl-friendly, redirect safe, and easier to manage as a public self-service content asset. Now we're going to take a look at the custom dashboard, which is a brand new feature that has been released. The custom dashboard enables users to create tailored dashboards that bring key metrics, team performance, and historical trends from all channels into one centralized views. Leveraging both the default reports as well as custom reports, you can build your own personalized dashboard with a flexible layout, visual widgets, export options, and scheduled delivery. This helps teams to organize data more clearly, monitor performance with less effort, and share relevant insights with the right stakeholders. Each custom dashboard can include up to 30 reports, and it's fully customizable and has automated scheduled delivery, so you can send those a copy of the dashboard to the individuals that need to receive it based on the frequency that is desired. It's particularly great for enterprise customers who are currently using custom reports or support leaders who need team-specific dashboards for daily operations. Also for operations manager who need scheduled reports for stakeholders or management meetings, and for high-volume teams that rely on the custom reporting and exports to make sure they're staying on track with organizational goals. Let's now take a look at our live chat agent console enhancements. There are quite a few to go through. Again, all of these improvements have been made based on feedback from clients to try and make it a better experience for the agents so they can work faster and more efficiently, and to make it easier for supervisors or managers to monitor chats and support their teams. With better chat visibility, easier search capabilities, clearer visitor context, improved message previews, and faster collaboration tools, teams can reduce the time spent navigating the console and focus more on resolving customer conversations. Some of the features that we have include a canned message preview, which increases the preview width and improves tooltip behavior for canned messages. The last message preview, which adds an optional setting to show the latest message directly in the chat list. Visitor unresponsive time shows how long a visitor has not replied for after an agent or an AI message. Grouping the chat by an agent is pretty self-explanatory, particularly useful for supervisors. Chat list search allows agents to search chats by visitor name or joined agent name. And the chat list width increase allows agents to expand the chat list width so more chat details can be displayed. Again, all of these are controlled within the agent console, and each individual has the ability to customize them and adjust based on their personal preferences. To add to the live chat agent console enhancements that we've just spoken about, we have some additional ones here. Visitor local time helps to show visitor location and local time within the time zone display on the right-hand side in the info tab. Perhaps relevant if things are being asked about the availability of something, opening hours, or key details like that. The chat duration shows the total chat duration counting from the chat start time until the end time, visible there on the right-hand side, and in real time, of course. The live chat shortcuts add read-only shortcuts for common live chat actions in the agent preferences. So they have the freedom to set these up as desired. If they know that they use certain canned messages very frequently, they can set the shortcuts that are going to work for them. The detailed message timestamp lets agents show the message timestamps with the seconds using the formatted time. And the copy chat link lets agents copy and share a chat link with other agents for easy collaboration. For the canned message preview, we can increase the width and improve the tooltip behavior for canned messages to make them easier to use. In terms of the last message preview, we can add an optional setting to show the latest message directly in the chat list. Group chat by agent enables us to add group by agent so supervisors can find chats joined by their agents more easily when monitoring. The chat list search allows agents to search for chats by visitor name or joined agent name. Next up, we have the visitor unresponsive time, which shows how long the visitor has not replied after an agent or an AI message was sent. I hope you've enjoyed learning about some of the new improvements to the Comm100 platform. If you're interested in learning more, don't forget you can contact your account manager, email support@comm100.com, or chat with us 24/7 via our Comm100 live chat. We're happy to answer any questions you may have or schedule a demo. Many thanks for joining. We look forward to seeing you at our next webinar. Bye for now.